Hey guys, it's Bix. Boy, do I have a crazy one for you today. We are back in the spot. Ooh, looks kind of far away, but we're back in the spot that we found in the Brat with that double sweeper, and I was really excited to come back with the VB and slay it. So that's what we're gonna try to do today. But before we do that, I gotta tell you guys about a couple surprises I have, but not before I talk about a couple that you guys left for me. Over a year ago, I made a video called So You Want to Get Into Cars? You know, for a year it sat at around 200 views, and I still got a couple comments saying that it helped people and that it was inspiring for them, and that felt so good. But at the beginning of July, it just started popping. I think it just hit 22,000 views, which is insane. Yeah, I wanted to thank you guys for 500 subscribers at the beginning of the month, but that video kept growing, and now we are at 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. You guys are so amazing. All the comments you guys left on that video just made me feel different. It inspired so many of you guys, and I just don't have words. But yeah, 1,000 subscribers, man. I'm so excited. I'm blown away. I feel like 1,000 might be the hardest milestone to hit. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. You guys might have some questions for me quick before I start too. Why does your camera look different? Because it is a different camera. It is a different camera. We're gonna level up a little bit. I didn't want this section to be too long, but yeah, one last question you guys might have for me is, why are you wearing a helmet? Why are you wearing a helmet? No, we're gonna be doing some crazy shit today. That's why I'm wearing a helmet. Hell yeah. Yeah, the other surprise is, you know, I've been into cars for a really long time now, and I have still never done a track day or raced. I figured if I want to become a rally driver, so to say, I should probably start driving in events. And I thought, what better way to get my feet wet than to do an autocross? And I've been finding excuses not to do them for so long because Casper's not done. But you know, I have this car, my daily 22 WRX. There's no reason that I can't enter that, and I think it would be really, really fun to use this car in that. So I'm going to do that tomorrow morning. And so I got a Snell rated helmet, and I got an action camera. I'm going to record that event too, and we're going to see how it goes. And then I'm hoping to do some rally cross and eventually work my way into some possible ARA in the future. But we will see about that, because maybe I'll stop at rallycross. I don't know, that looks pretty freaking fun too. But without further ado, let's slay this road. We're gonna hit it a few times, see how it goes. Maybe go screw around elsewhere if I get scared. Cause yeah, I feel like with the helmet on, I'm gonna go way too crazy. So we'll see how it goes. Looking good. Looking good. Attention Subaru Airlines, this is your pilot Bick speaking. Traction control has been turned off for this flight today. Prepare for this rough and bumpy flight on this overcast, gloomy day. This car can eat, dude. Holy, I was going slow into that. I could have went way faster. I always forget, like I get scared a little bit, and then I get into the corner and realize this car can just eat the corners. It's so happy out here on gravel roads. Okay, that was a practice one though. But yeah, I used to complain that this car didn't have the mechanical feel the old ones have, and to an extent that is true, but like it really comes alive on gravel roads. It's just, I just love it. Such a good daily too. Snailed that one a little bit. Oopsies. I was thinking too much. I'm braking because I'm scared. Whew. Oh, doggy. Oh my God, we can nail that so much harder if I just stop being scared. This car can do so much more than I'm giving it right now. Oh boy. Think like a rally driver. How can we hit this as fast as possible without dying? Whew. This is for 1,000 subscribers, baby. Entering at 80 miles per hour. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God, I'm flat through there. This car is just, oh my God. Whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, okay, I got scared. Okay, that is so nerve-wracking. I'm properly razzled right now. Oh shit. Okay, we're gonna calm down a little bit. He waved. We're good. One more time. Do I wait a little bit? I think we'll be okay. I haven't seen anybody else in the while I've been out here, so. But I think probably far enough away, hit max attack. Nope, there's somebody coming. God damn it. Sick. I don't know now, boys. Look how pretty. We'll take a scenic drive, how about that? Oh shit. There comes some adrenaline. I got scared now. That was a lot. Oh my God. We're gonna need some more practice before we do rally driving, boys. Okay? It's okay. Okay, max stack. Exiting this corner is scary because there could be people coming now, so I'm not gonna go crazy around it. Okay. Okay, I like that. Did you guys like that? I hope you guys like that. If you didn't, I'll come back. You know, leave my nerves at home, Jesus Christ. This car can eat, dude. I could go so much harder than I am, but it's just so scary. You know, it's like trusting the car, and now the car is like, bruh, and it's trying to trust me. It's a symbiotic relationship, and I'm just working on that, okay? It's like it can pull me right out of those corners. Even if I'm going sideways, it can pull me right out. Should be left foot braking and trail braking too. I kind of forgot to. There we go. We're only going 70 out of that one, but that's okay. I was happy with the one on the way in. Now I'm getting a little, my adrenaline meter is kind of high, so to say. I think it's time to go somewhere else quick. We can come back another day. I hope you guys are happy with those. Whew. I hope it looked fast, because it sure as fuck felt like it was. God damn, boy. If you guys have seen my other VB video messing around on the gravel roads and stuff in the back, or whatever, I did a little bit of a thing here, and I wanted to do it again, but there's... Hello? Yeah, I don't want to scare those little guys. Okay, we'll skip that. I don't want to upset any horses or cows today. Damn it, I wanted to do that in the POV. That's okay. You look so pretty when you tell me that you love me. Oh fuck, I think I'm going off the road and now I'm dead. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh, he made it, I think. Gotta watch out for the wildlife on today's flight. Damn it. All the waves today, boys. Karma's good. We have 0 stars in GTA 6 so far. Only thing that sucks is the corn is quite a bit higher than last time I've been out. So seeing around corners is kind of, you know, difficult. I'm dead. Oh, I was topping that shit out. I should have shifted. Hello, puppy. Hey guys, we're back and we survived. I just wanted to add a couple things quick before the end of this video. I know this is my 3rd driving video in a row, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I do still work on cars on this channel. That will always be part of this channel. It's just that right now, doing a lot of crazy stuff to Casper. Yeah, the 22B kit install, it's going, but very slow. And there's not a lot of like videos I could make in between, especially since I need to be working on it more often. But yeah, that will always be part of this channel. I enjoy working on cars with you guys, and I enjoy driving them. Ideally, I would do both in the same videos where I'd replace something and then see how the car responds. That would be really fun. That's kind of what I want to do eventually. But it's just that I can't right now because I'm doing some crazy stuff, but I can't really drive the car right now. And then I just want to thank you guys again for 1,000 subscribers. It is so insane how crazy we made it from, 500 to 1,000 in less than a month because of that one video that randomly blew up called So You Want to Get Into Cars. And for those of you who are here from that video, I just wanted to thank you again for sticking in to the end of this video. And I wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be doing a follow-up, and I've wanted to do one forever, about what to do with your first project car for those of you who have taken that next step to get one. I just thought it'd be way easier to do that with my own new project car that I'm going to be picking up at the end of the month. There it is. No more sugarcoating it. Secrets out. But yeah, that'll be a fun one for you guys too. Definitely subscribe if you aren't. There's a lot of crazy stuff coming for BickdUp this next coming month. And also, yeah, I just had my first autocross weekend. As you can see, I'm a little burnt. That was genuinely one of the most fun things I've done in a really long time. And that'll be the next video. So yeah, 4 driving videos in a row. But yeah, thank you guys for sticking to the end of the video. I just wanted to get those out real quick because the intro to this video is way too long and way too little people were going to care. So I thought I'd save it for you guys that are going to be here at the end. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye-bye.